Hi guys and welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, hi, I'm Yaz. I create videos both on fashion and beauty. If you like luxury items, some high street pieces and a bit of beauty, then I think you'll really like it here, so hit that subscription button and notification bell. It really would mean the world to me. Today I have a huge Gymshark haul for you. I'm super excited. So let's get into it. Hope you enjoy this video. How big is this bag? I got quite a few pieces in here, I'm not gonna lie. But before we start, I do want to say that I'm relatively new to Gymshark. I think I only started purchasing sometime last year and I instantly just fell in love with the brand. I actually haven't bought anything else from a fitness brand since buying from Gymshark. I love the quality of all of their items. The leggings fit so nicely. Their customer care is amazing. I mean, I got a haul in a relatively new pair of leggings, and I said to them, look, I've got a haul. Instantly, 2 days later, a new pair of leggings were out. I couldn't believe it. So the customer care is spot on. I'm in love with all of their like collections that they have. I love that they have different collections. It suits so many different people as well. And the styles are so nice and fitting. They make you feel confident. So when they said they had a sale, I don't think it's on now, but when they said they were on a sale, I was like, I'm waiting in line, I am ready. And luckily I managed to pick myself up quite a few pieces, and I just thought, I know that the sale's over, but you can still get these pieces, so I thought I'd show you my favourite, and I'm so happy. So let's get into it. I'm actually really excited. Aren't we, Picky? Yes! My dog's won't leave me alone. So yeah, let's get into number one. First, let's actually open the bag. What is it? Ready, guys? I'm just gonna do. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. Let's start with this one. So I got the Fleur set in this like grey marble colour. And these were, I think, like the bralette was discounted to like £5. It was actually a really good bargain. Oh, this material feels amazing. Yes! Go on, Piggy. Go on. Good girl. You're not getting a treat. Anyway. Ah, how gorgeous is this colour? So this is from the Fleur collection, and already it feels super soft, and they do look really high-waisted. I'm excited to try these on, and they are in the charcoal marl. Everything I got is in a small, so hopefully the sizing is right, because the sale is now over, unfortunately. And then I got the matching, I think it is, yeah, bralette, sports bra, and I love this. I think that's beautiful. It's just perfect, and it's got like a few cutouts at the back, which is really nice. Yeah, no, really liking the look of this, but this does look like the perfect, like, fitting, nice fitting sports bra that keeps you all, you know, tucked in nicely. So I'm going to try these on and I'm going to get back to you. And here we have it. This is the Fleur. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so gorgeous. Really high-waisted on the leggings. It feels perfect. You'll see this in the cutaways. The bra is beautiful. I really like it. The way they've done the straps, it won't cut into you. It's really supportive around the chest area. And it's not too tight, but I feel very like supported. I can't stop rubbing the leggings. They're so soft and comfortable. I definitely feel confident walking into the gym in this outfit. I'm not really an overly confident person. I get quite nervous. So yeah, this is perfect. Really like it. And on to the next pieces. Oh, right, okay. I think this is from the Vital collection. Let's have a look. No, Energy. So this is Red Sea, and this is the cropped leggings. So I have some energy ones before, and if you've been on my if you've been on my Instagram stories, you'll see I do post a lot of gym posts. And I've got this in the really nice turquoisey blue colour. But this is the red. I got the red leggings and this style of bra. See, it says seamless sports bra. I quite like it. I really like the colour. I thought it was going to be a more reddy red, but it's kind of like a, I don't know what to say, like not a fierce red, it's more like a dull red. So we'll see, I'll go try this on and we'll see how it goes. And we're back with the Energy and Seamless collection. Absolutely love this. The red colour I thought was a bit dull, not gonna lie, but oh, I absolutely love it. I love the high-waistedness of it. And I love this bra, again, really supportive, not as padded as the other one, but this one, again, is something that I'd wear. I love the details on it, it's really comfortable. Again, they've made the straps so that it doesn't dig into you. This bit's nice here. So yeah, another one that I really love. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to keep them all. So yes, now on to the next one. So the next one is not a pair, I think. I kind of like just went a bit creative with this one. So I've got the high-waisted flex leggings. And I just love these. I love the little blue on the back, but they're essentially just grey long leggings. And to pair this with a sports bra, I picked this beautiful blue colour from the same, basically this in blue, so it's the Energy Seamless. So I've got this, so I know this will look nice, but I thought the blues matched really well. I think they do actually, they're very similar, so I thought that as a pair would go really nicely. So let's try them on. And we're back with the new bra on and the grey leggings. If the camera angle has changed a little bit, it's just because my old camera just died and I had to switch. So apologies for that. But I love these two paired together. They're gorgeous. Again, the high-waistedness of the leggings is perfect. And I love this too. These two match together. I just think it looks really nice. I must say the leggings are quite long. I've had to tuck them a little bit, but then I realised if you just, you know, yoink them up a little bit, they do look fine, just a little bit of roll at the end. So if you are a taller person, I think these will be great for you. If you are short, I'd try them on and see. Try them on and see, yeah. But I think they're really lovely. Definitely going to keep this set because I love them paired together so much. I just think it's perfect, especially for summer. The light grey and blue looks really great. On to my next set. Again, these were not paired together, but I just love these colours together. So the next leggings I got, and they didn't have like a matching bra or anything, but I just love them, so I couldn't not. What are these? These are the Embody leggings in a dark ruby colour. And I love them because they had like this clear bit on the legs as well. And how fab is this colour? I just love this dark purple ruby, definitely very ruby. And then I saw this bra, this sports bra, and I thought how beautifully they'd go together. And it's just stunning. Like, I do a bit of Pilates and yoga, and I thought these paired together for that would be beautiful. And look at this. How pretty is it? With the little bow at the back. I think I'm going to have to try it on. It's really hard to show you. I'll try it on and show you. But it's just the most beautiful, like, pinky colour. And it's got these different... Girls! And it's got this different kind of textures. So it's really nice. Oi! What are you doing? and barking rough to you too. Sorry about that. So yeah, I think this is gorgeous. I can't wait to try this on. It'll be such a nice outfit. Looking at it, I think it'll be such a nice outfit for yoga and Pilates. I think, yeah, it'll be lovely, but let's try it on. Let's try it on. And I'm back. Okay, now the leggings. I'm only kidding. The leggings are gorgeous, but they were probably the most difficult to get on. Just because, I think it's because of the mesh detail on the knee and at the side of the leg. I think that probably makes them a little bit tighter. But once they were on, they were amazing. I love the little cutout detail at the back with this mesh here. And I love them paired with this bralette. So soft, so comfortable. Again, quite supportive. I love the details at the back. It's beautiful. So again, yeah, I love these paired together. And then I bought something else to go with them. If I can open it. I saw these leggings paired with this online, and it is this gorgeous, what is it? Yeah, cropped hoodie. I absolutely adore it. It's in black with just the Gymshark on the front. It's actually really soft. Let's have a feeling. Oh, that's really soft. So yeah, I'm going to just chuck this on. Oh, I love this paired with the dark ruby leggings. I mean, just looks gorgeous, doesn't it, them paired together? And it's super soft, and it's something that I like to wear a hoodie going, and then when I'm coming out, I'm like, I'm too hot, I can't be asked to wear it. But I think this, just thrown over the top, keep the chill off, and I love it. It's really stylish, I think it's comfortable, it's super soft, and I think you look very fashionable with a cropped hoodie and some really nice leggings. And the last thing I got, what I really, really needed, is a pair of shorts. I like to go running when I'm in Portugal, but I want the minimal tan lines, literally minimal tan lines I can get. So I wanted a pair of shorts that would stay on, and that were quite short shorts so that I can just run. So I only run in like a crop top and a pair of shorts, so my midsection gets tanned, top half gets tanned. So I'd probably wear this again with a hoodie if I wanted to wear it going to the gym. In England, I generally wouldn't wear shorts going to the gym just because I'm not confident with my legs, not gonna lie. But in Portugal, I don't know why, I just don't care. I don't care, but when I come back to my own country, I'm a bit like, yeah, I should wear leggings. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on and see what they look like. Oh my god, I'm in love with these shorts. They're gorgeous. They've got like this elasticated bit here, so they don't move, which is lovely. And they're not too short, which is perfect. And I've just done like a little jog around the house, and they don't move, so they stay, which is nice. I'm not going to get a huge wedgie with getting like horrible people beeping at me, so that'd be great. So yeah, this concludes the Gymshark haul. I'm actually really surprised. Normally when I do hauls, I send at least 1 or 2 pieces back, but I love every single piece from Gymshark. They fit like a dream. And I needed a lot of leggings because all of mine are really old. I used to row, so they have holes in, which is a bit of a nightmare, especially now that I don't wear like an all-in-one, which goes underneath the leggings. If you row, you understand. But yes, I needed some leggings. The bras, the sports bras fit beautifully. I have a lot of Nike ones that, you know, they come up a little bit so you can see under boob, or they're really tight. None of these are tight at all. They fit beautifully. I think Gymshark is definitely one of those brands that are at the top now. I think they surpass, for me, they surpass Nike and Adidas, which were one of my favourites. So I'm definitely a Gymshark lover. Let me know in the comments down below what your favourite collection is, which item you like the best, and if you are, you know, looking to buy some gym wear, I highly recommend Gymshark. I think the price as well is really reasonable, especially for the quality that you're getting. So I hope this helps you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday at 7 PM. Bye for now.